Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Lord, I Lift Your Name on High, written by Rick Founds and released in 1989. It's a great praise and worship song sung for many years in churches throughout. So let's get started. Okay, to play this song, we're going to be using three simple chords: G major, C, and D, in addition to E minor. Okay, we'll review the chords real quickly. For the G major chord, you'll place your first finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, your second finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your pinky finger or your 4th finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. That'll be G major. Okay, to play C major, you place your first finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, skip a string and place your second finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and stretch your 3rd finger on the 5th string of the 3rd fret, and play all strings but the top string. You want to mute that with your thumb or just simply don't play it. And that's the C major chord. And then the D major chord, you'll place your first finger on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then your second finger on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but the top string again. Mute it with your thumb. So that's D major. Okay, and then lastly, you just want to play E minor. There'll be just one quick time we'll play E minor on the chorus. And to play E minor, just use your finger number 2 and place it on the 5th string of the 2nd fret. And then finger number 3 just right directly underneath on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And just strum all strings. Okay, so in review, you have G major, C major, D major, E minor. Okay, very good. Okay, the chord progression on this song is pretty simple. It just simply goes back and forth between G, C, and D chords. Each chord will get 2 beats. The first G will get 2 beats. Second chord will get 2 beats. D will get 2 beats. And then C and D will get 1 beat each. And then we'll start over again. Okay, so 2 beats on G, 2 beats on C, 2 beats on D, and then 1 beat on C and 1 beat on D. Okay, so it'll go something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. Okay, as you've seen, the strumming pattern for this song is just simply down and up beats on all the chords, and then when you get to those 1 beats, just down beats only, okay, to emphasize those. Okay, so the verse will go something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save me. Okay, the chorus is even more simple. It'll just go back and forth between G, C, and D, and back down to C and back down to G again. And then when you get to the word grave, you'll play the E minor in there, and then C and D, and then start back over again toward the end. Okay, so it'll go something like this: you came from heaven to earth to show the way, from the earth to the cross, my debt to pay, from the cross to the grave, from the grave to the sky. Lord, I lift your name on high. repeat the verse again as many times as you would like, or repeat the chorus again. Okay? So I'll play the song through one time. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save me. You came from heaven to earth to show the way, from the earth to the cross, my debt to pay. From the cross to the grave, from the grave to the sky, Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, that's a great song to learn. Very simple. You can sing it through as many times as you would like, and a lot of youth like to do hand motions associated with this song. It's very good. It's just a great song to sing and give praise to our Lord Jesus Christ. So that concludes our lesson. I appreciate you joining in. If you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this video. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. It's free, and it just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions, so you can find me much easier. And don't forget to share this video with your friends as well. So have a great day, and God bless you.